Chapter 4: Setting up and optimizing your ads. Now that you have chosen a domain name, a web host, and have designed your website, it's time to get to the fun part. By now, you will have chosen the type of products that you would like to advertise in order to make money, and will have found a suitable affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great start, but there are many others out there which you might prefer. Once you have signed up to your chosen affiliate program and have been approved to advertise on their behalf, it's time to get down to business. The majority of affiliate programs will provide you with pre-designed and pre-approved advertisements which you can then use on your affiliate site. These are usually easy to place directly onto your site via the use of a HTML code which you will simply need to copy and paste into your site's code. Many programs will provide a range of advertisement types, including banner ads of all different sizes, pop-up ads, text ads, and more. The ones which you choose will depend on the design of your website and how you plan to promote the product or service. However, simply placing an ad on your site is not enough to effectively promote it. When buying a product, customers like to know as much information possible about not only the product or service which they are considering, but also about the business or brand. For this reason, it's important to write product descriptions for the items which you promote. A good affiliate marketing site will have a different page for each product that they promote, with a compelling and interesting description that encourages the reader to buy. The more informative, the better. Search engine optimization. Optimizing your affiliate site for search engine crawlers is extremely important in order for your new business venture to be a success. For example, if you're promoting women's clothing, you will want your site to show up as high as possible in Google search results when a user types women's clothing into the search bar and hits go. Because of this, search engine optimization should be a top priority. There are many different things which you need to do when it comes to search engine optimization, and it should be done both on and off your site. If you have never done any SEO before and are not very knowledgeable on the subject, it may be a good idea to get in touch with an SEO professional or digital marketing company to help you out. Off-page SEO. Google ranks websites according to a whole number of factors, but it's not only what's going on your page that matters. Links back to your page are very valuable to Google, providing that they are genuine, authentic, and from a reputable source. For example, a link source could be a local news outlet, a popular blog, or even a well-known social media page or profile. The more genuine links that you have back to your site, the better ranking your page will able to achieve. One of the best ways to build up links is through the use of guest posts. In the past, link building received a bad reputation as website owners were abusing it, simply placing links back to their page in irrelevant places or spamming forums in order to increase the amount of links. However, this isn't what you're going to do. One good link is worth more than 100 bad links, and a link that is placed in a black hat manner could land you with a penalty from Google. Instead, find relevant, reputable blogs which will allow you to guest post for them. This way, you can create a guest post which is relevant to your site and allows you to include the link in a natural manner. Along with guest posting, there are many other ways in which you can create solid, authentic links back to your site in order to improve SEO. These include doing something newsworthy to appear in an article on the site of a local news outlet, including links to your site in business listings, and asking relevant bloggers to review your site. On-page SEO. Although what you do off your page is important for SEO, it's also vital to remember that your website and pages themselves have a huge part to play in search engine optimization and how high you rank in the Google search results. One of the most important parts of your site is the content. When writing product descriptions and other content for your site, it's a good idea to include the types of keywords that your users will be searching for. However, it's vital to make sure that these keywords appear naturally. If this isn't possible, creating content based on the keyword is important. Along with that, updating your site with fresh content is also a good way to improve SEO. This could be done in the form of a business blog, for example, which you could use to create articles that answer commonly asked questions, explore different ways to use the products that you sell, or even review your own products. Don't forget that it's not just text content which is important to SEO, the images that you use on your site can also appear in image search results. The user-friendliness of your website is also hugely important to search engine optimization. Along with having informative content, your website should also be easy to navigate and not confuse users who visit it. Your aim is to get visitors to stay on your page for as long as possible so that they can discover more information about your products in order to encourage them to buy. Another factor which should also be taken into consideration is page loading time. The amount of time that your site and pages take to load can directly affect SEO, with Google favoring those sites which load up quickly and effortlessly. Not only that, but a site which loads slowly can be annoying for users, and you could lose business as a result. Last but not least, it is absolutely vital that your website is mobile friendly. This is not only important for your reputation, but it also directly affects SEO, with Google's latest major algorithm updates favoring sites which are mobile friendly over those which are not. With an increasing number of shoppers using their mobile devices to search for and purchase products and services online, ensuring that your site has a responsive design that looks and works great on any device is absolutely vital.